Don't McGraw.
When we can go. I know normally they don't do GT3 first.
Entry, all one. Will be the number 2.
Aye? Yeah.
54.8 double O.
Yeah.
Small full of camera, big day.
Alright, so it's all about getting into a consistent rhythm. You need to sort of find your speed, but yeah, stick with your rhythm. Try and work on carrying speed into the corners, but don't change your driving style out there. You need to feel the car basically.
Okay.
I'm going to go back in now and be ready for it. It's going to be to just take it easy, do your best out here, and we'll see you when you're out of the car.
Be good.
Good luck, man.
Love you.
Love you too.
Go on, big day. You're pumped. You're feeling it. Go do it, son. Full send. Full send.
Are you good? Looking forward? Yeah. How many cars do you want to overtake at the start? 6? 6, okay, then okay. Try not to overtake the GT3 cars, okay?
Right, I'm off. Good luck, big day.
Dave, good luck.
And the pace car, you're going to play. 25 minutes to qualifying lap from there, okay, I suggest. That'll be part of it, and also Oliver.
Come on, boys!